Hello guys, welcome again to the Vevo Candy. Today's tutorial is really interesting and easy. A name is moved towards animated spiral typography with light effects. Hope you'll enjoy. Let's get started. This window will help you what I'm typing and clicking. As usual, first we take new composition of 1920 by 1080 with 30 frames per second. Take another new composition for text. Type text whatever you want. For center the anchor point, first select the layer, then go to the layer, then go to the transform and select the center the anchor point in content layer. Adjust its sizes and align it. Press Ctrl+K to open the composition settings and reduce its height to fit your word. Take another new composition and name it. Then drag your text composition into it. Now we need to change the rotation of text. Drop down its transform menu and change the rotation to 90 degrees. Now move to the sidebar and search the motion tile in Effects and Presets. If in case, option does not appear on sidebar on your end, then move to the window option and select the Effects and Presets option. Now then drag the motion tile and drop over the text composition. Now move to the motion tile settings and increase its output height till to cover the wide screen. If you still see black window from both sides, then you need to adjust your word size. Now move your pattern composition into your main composition. Now this time search again CC cylinder effect in the effects and presets, and drag and drop over the pattern composition. As you can see that there is gap in the cylinder, so we need to change the text size or increase the scale to cover that gap. Let me show you how. Now I'm going to adjust the cylinder sizes, rotation, scale, movement, and its colors. You can adjust it accordingly. Still there is gap in the cylinder. Now it's looking fine. Now we have to change the text color. Now we are going to rotating it. We need to make changes the rotation Y so that it will move in rotation. So we will start stopwatch from 0 frame with 0 degree value, and end its stopwatch to 90 frames with 150 degrees. Yes. It's looking cool. Now select both toggles and ease them by pressing F9. It's looking cool, but still we can change its motion for better looking. Go to the graph editor and change its motion by dragging the toggle nodes. Now we have to add another toggle on the end for reverse effect. Just copy the first toggle and paste it on 110th frame. Even you can paste it wherever you want to. Now we have to duplicate this pattern composition by pressing Ctrl+D. Now select the upper layer and go to the CC cylinder setting, and change its render to outside. Do the same procedure with bottom layer and this time set render to inside. Now we have to add another text layer, write whatever you want, adjust its size and select the 3D layer option, and put it into the center of both pattern layers. Now we have to change its directions, motions, movements and colors. As you can see that, I am adding the toggles to start and end its position. I will end its position on same frame, I mean on 90th frame, as we did with patterns layer. Change the text color. Now we will add another toggles to reverse text position, as we did with cylinder. Just copy the first toggles and paste them on the end. Now select all the toggles and ease them. Changes its graph editor according to the pattern layer, that will match cylinder's motion with text. As you can see that both have the same resemblance in motion. Now we have to add the light effect inside the cylinder, so go to the effects and presets, and search the drop shadow. Drag and drop over the upper pattern layer. Select its shadow color and set the direction to drop shadow inside the cylinder. Increase its smoothness and set its distance accordingly. Now we have to add light effect on text, so right click and go to the new, and select light. Set its light type to ambient. Place this light layer just over the text layer. Set light intensity. As it moves toward the cylinder it gets brights due to cylinder's shadow. When it gets out from cylinder it would dark. Now we have to add toggles to change text brightness. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. It's looking awesome. Fantastic. It's easy and interesting. Now we have finished our project. Still, if you feel any problem regarding this project or whatever, Don't hesitate to ask me in comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.